Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to mathematics, and we are here with a very recent paper for A-level CIs, Pure Maths 1, paper code 9709, variant 12, October-November 2025. So let's begin. Question 1. Question 1a says express 9x square minus 36x plus 8 in the form px plus q whole square plus r. That means we need to convert this into completed square form. So let's begin. 9x square minus 36x plus 8. What is the first step of making it into completed square form is to take whatever the coefficient of x square is, take that common. We are left with x square minus 4x plus 8 over 9. Now whatever the coefficient of x is, half it and add and subtract its square, plus 2 square and minus 2 square whole multiplied by 9. Now this part becomes a complete square, and that is x minus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 8 over 9 . Now it is minus 36 plus 8, that gives you minus 28 over 9. Now multiply this 9 inside the bracket in the next step. So we end up getting 9 times x minus 2 square minus 28. Okay, so this is your completed square form, where your p will be 9, q would be minus 2 and r would be minus 28. Now they are asking from us, find a set of values of k for which the equation equals to k has no solutions. Okay, what does it mean actually? It means that this is your quadratic equation, this is, and this is equals to some line, and they have no solution. So for a line on the same coordinate axis and not being intersecting actually means that it must be, it can't be here, it can't be here, it can't be here, should be just below the minimum point. Okay, so let's see. First, make the curve for this equation. So very easily we can make the curve if we have a completed square form, because we know the coordinates of turning point. So from this we can say that turning point will have coordinates 2 and minus 28. So let's represent this on your coordinate axis. So this curve will look like somehow like this. Let's say this is your minus 28. This is your value 2. So if I take this to be down, it should be here. Okay, these are the coordinates of 2 comma minus 28. Now your line should be somewhere below than this y equals to k line. Why I am saying y equals to k? Because when they represented these two to be equal, it means one equation is this, y is equals to this, and the other is y is equals to k. So when you equate both of them, you will get this kind of thing. So we equate to find the points of intersection mostly, but if they are saying that there are no solutions, so where your line should be, your line should be just below y equals to minus 28. So you will say your k value must be less than minus 28 so that y is equals to k and y is equals to 9x square minus 36x plus 8 has no solutions. Okay, now the next thing is part C. Part C says find exact solutions of the equation, the same quadratic equation if is equals to minus 15. So we have to find the solutions. What does it actually means? That there is the same concept as we had in the part B, that there is some equation and this is the same curve, and this curve is equated with y equals to minus 15. Okay, and it has some solutions. So let's solve it. It is you can find the solutions by just simplifying this and making it a quadratic, and when you solve this quadratic you will get the x values that are actually the solutions of this solutions, which are actually the solutions of our point of intersection. So let's rearrange this. 9x square minus 36x plus 8 plus 15 equals 0. What does it gives you? 23. Now we can we can look into this if it could be solved by breaking middle term, like splitting it into parts, but I guess so this is not, it couldn't be, so we are using quadratic formula. So x will be equals to minus of b plus minus b square minus 4a and c divided by 2a. So we'll get, we have to find the exact solution. So when we have to find exact, that means you are not going to use your calculator value, not the decimal value, rather you need a solved value for this. So 36 square minus 4 times 2 times 4 times 9 times 23, this gives you 468 divided by 18. This gives you 36 plus minus 6 root 13 over 18. 6 taking common, 6 plus minus root 13 over 18. So that gives you 6 plus minus root 13 over 3. Okay, so these are your two exact solutions. X is either equals to 6 plus root 13 over 3 or 6 minus root 13 over 3. So this is how we can solve our question number 1. Okay, first making completed square form, secondly identifying the values of k for which the equation and the line has no solutions, and thirdly, finding the exact solutions for a curve and a line that are intersecting. So that's all about question number 1. Thank you.